guys, it's your boy Wannabe Matt. Welcome back to another. I'm sorry about that. I don't know why, it's really hot. I didn't have any shirt, but yeah. Welcome to another video. It's your boy Wannabe Matt. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and yeah, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, depending on if you like the video or not. Preferably thumbs up. I like those. Those are better, I think. Sure, usually. The other day I did lyric prank videos and I failed horribly. Horribly. So I decided I want to go back again and try again and see what we can get done this time. So, for this video, two girls again. I did two. You know how it is, you guys know how it is.
Boy, if you don't get...
No, you don't. But, so yeah, let's jump straight into the video.
When will I see you again?
Me? You know, I think I saw you the other day, but from afar.
You left him no goodbye.
When?
Not a single word was said.
I don't remember where, but it wasn't a situation where I could have been close enough to talk to you.
No final kiss to seal anything.
What are you talking about? At this point, guys, it's clear that she's confused. I'll be confused too, but hey, we gotta stick to the lyrics, guys. We gotta stick to the lyrics.
I had no idea of the state we were in. I know I have a fickle heart and a bitterness
And the wandering eye and heaviness in my head. Ah, shit. She found us out, guys. She found us out. What did I say after that? Ah, shit. So that was a fail. I really suck at making these videos. But I still enjoy them. I still think they're funny as hell. So, who's up for round two? Let's go. Hey, Matt.
I was doing just fine before I met you.
LOL, what?
I drink too much and that's an issue.
LOLs, Matt, I hear you. That can be an issue for real. You need help.
But I'm okay.
Thumbs up. So how you been?
Hey,
Huh?
you tell your friends it was nice to meet them.
You don't talk to Mona? At this point she was like, cause we have mutual friends, so she was wondering if I don't talk to her friends anymore. Which is pretty good. So this song was a pretty good choice selection for this person. So yeah.
But I hope I never see them again.
If you didn't call me by name or know I have you up a DP, I would think you have the wrong number.
I know it breaks your heart.
What are you talking about? I'm confused.
Moved to the city and I broke down crying.
Okay.
4 years, no call.
You didn't reach out either, so blame goes both ways.
Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar and I can't stop.
LOL.
No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover.
She stopped replying, guys. This is the second time, and they always stop replying at that line. Put the back sheet of the Rover line. They always stop replying at that line. I don't know what's about that line, but if I make any more of these videos, I'm definitely gonna try something else. Probably remix two songs together. And that's it for today's video. If you like today's video, don't forget to give the thumbs up and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah, peace. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Wannabe Matt. Welcome to another